What's up? What's going on? Daria Jackson Leganier here of the New York Power Couple, hailing from Brooklyn, New York. Decided to come outside on this hot, blazing day, but I have to say that it's nice and breezy back here. And I just wanted to kick it with you for a few minutes and just tell you why I decided to join Infinity Processing System, aka IPS. Number one, IPS is the place to be. I have to say that I've been in the opportunity for almost a year now, and I'm having success. And the beauty of it is when you bring people in and they're having success too, that just puts the icing on the cake. You know, I don't like the fact that sometimes when you're in other opportunities, it's always one or two, maybe three people that are having success and everyone else is struggling. Here it's different because there's so many of us winning over here, and I'm gonna tell you why. Number one, the training is phenomenal. When you get your package, whichever package you decide to pick, the training, there's a plethora of training in the membership area that you can pick from. So there's so many strategies back there that are evergreen that you can use and have success. I absolutely love the fact that it's 100% commission. So what does that mean? So what that means is the person that you enroll and they pay for their package, the money goes straight to you. You don't have to worry about a middleman waiting until Friday, payday, Tuesday, whenever the owner decides when payday is. Payday can be every day in this opportunity. Payday can be multiple times a day. So for me, I woke up this morning with a $150 payment. To my surprise, I love that, you know. So you can get paid at any time. Vacation, while you're having dinner, while you're out with the kids, while you're running errands. So for me, I woke up to a $150 payment, and that was amazing this morning. Put a smile on my face. A great way to start the day, right? So another reason why I decided to join IPS is because of the fact that for me, copy was an issue. You know, I pretty much know how to put together an ad, but a lot of times you don't. For me, if you don't know copy, and copy is not something that's my strength, you want to have access to copy that's going to get people to move into action. So in our membership area, we have a plethora of ads that we can use, image ads, text ads, and it's such a variety that everybody's ads do not have to look the same. That's another thing that I love. It's a feature. But let's say you knew and you don't really know how to put together an ad. So there's ads there that you can just literally copy and paste and they convert. Beautiful thing, right? I love the fact that another thing that attracted me to this system is that there's a 7-day marketing plan. So when you sit down to work your business, you know exactly what to do. So it removes the guesswork of you trying to figure out, well, what should I be doing this? Should I be doing that? It's broken down by task for each and every day. So every day, like I said, you know exactly what to do. And I absolutely love that. That for me really helped me, because when you're in business, you have to be structured. You have to be organized. You need to know what it is that you're doing, you know, so that you can get it done, right? You know, you're coming home from work, you're tired, you know you got to work your business. And the last thing that you need to do is to figure out, what am I supposed to be doing? So at least when you sit down, you know exactly what to do. We have a supportive Facebook group where we get trainings, where we get support from other members. We get strategies, different strategies that people are using to help them win. Just a different way to use what we have, because we can go into our back office, right? And you can look back there and I can look back there and we see the same thing, but in our minds we apply it differently. So you get different ideas on how to do the same thing, and that's the beauty of it. People are very forthcoming, they're very helpful, and I like being in a supportive environment like that. And lastly, which I absolutely love to love, is the 6-figure earner blueprint. That is so detailed. There's no way that you cannot walk away and not be successful. So who's this program for? This program is for newbies. If you've been in the industry and you consider yourself an intermediate marketer, and even the experts, because there's something there for everyone. Number one, the training is evergreen. So what does that mean? It means that you can use it, it never gets old. And Adriana, which is the owner, the founder, she's always updating us with different, just different tweaks, you know, different things that are happening, you know, because social media is constantly changing, right? So there might be a tweak on Facebook that we need to be aware of. It might be a new update that we need to know about on TikTok or on Instagram, right? So we're constantly updated. We're constantly getting fresh and new ideas. So I just love it, because we are winning over here. So if this is something that you would like to explore, you want to know more about, just make sure you click the link in the description. All right, and that is pretty much my take on IPS, which is Infinity Processing System. For a minute I forgot the name, right? Infinity Processing System. So make sure that you click the link below, learn more about it, see where you want to get started, and reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to help you with whatever you need so that you can be successful in this system. So if you're watching me on YouTube, be sure to subscribe, because I will be uploading more videos like this, just telling you about different strategies, different tools, that anything that I see that can help you build your business, I will be talking about it here. So make sure that you come back so that you don't miss my next video. So that's all I have for you right now. Daria Jackson-Leggett signing off. I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.